Well, hello guys. This is a channel announcement. I've been thinking about this for quite a long time now, and I think it's about time. Effective November the 1st, because I got some contractual things I gotta get out of the way. I will be closing all of my YouTube channels, the Trail Rider 2 and this one as well. I'm 69 years old. And I want to start doing things with my family, with my wife. We want to do some traveling. I don't want to have to worry about how many videos I got to put out a week and stuff like that. So that being said, I'll miss a lot of you people in here. But as of November the 1st, there'll be no more Trail Rider channel. I'm gonna get right out of here. I'm closing my Facebook pages as well. I'm just gonna go back to being regular John Doe citizen, not worry about um, have to edit videos every day and stuff like that. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna miss everybody a lot here, and I won't miss some people in here. Nobody has driven me off here at this point. I just feel it's time to retire completely. So I'm gonna be leaving here. I will be oh just be a regular YouTube person watching videos here and there. But that's about it. I'm not going to be an influencer or a content creator, and I would shut it down in a matter of days. But because I have stuff coming in that I got to do videos on, I got to let run for so long and all that. So I number of my contractual things I got to deal with. So I appreciate everybody that followed me on these channels since 2014. This and my other channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. But I decided it's time. I'm gonna miss you guys. I'll miss the YouTube stuff, but I got to start doing stuff with the family, doing little trips here and there, not worry about having to bring a camera with me, and you know, and doing. We want to do some traveling. We want to go Yellowstone and all that. I want to just go there, be a normal person, just take pictures and put them on my Facebook page and stuff like everybody else does. I am not going to be. I'm just getting burnt out, guys. It's like now. I was going to ride my Ranger and do some riding videos, and you know what? I don't feel like it no more, and I probably won't ride much for the next couple weeks. And when my friends come up, we're just gonna go ride and have fun. So um, I'm gonna upload this exact same video on both channels. Uh, so I know YouTube will say, well, yeah, it's a copyright. Well, I own both channels, so they can bite me at this point. And I really don't care about the monetization stuff or anything, because realistically, other than when I get stuff to do product reviews and get it for free, that's the only thing that was really driving me. But it's getting to the point now where I really don't care about that stuff anymore, and it's not worth the hassle anymore. So that being said, guys, November the 1st, I will be leaving YouTube, retiring from this type of platform, and I'm just going to go out and be a John Doe citizen. I'll be um, fading away. I'm 69 years old, and I got to take life and enjoy life while we can. Not, I got to start doing stuff besides worrying about editing videos and stuff. So anyway, I just want you to know I'm going to use my real name here. This is Claude saying goodbye and God bless. And y'all have a great time. This will be my last video actually. Y'all have a great time, and I will see y'all later. And the channels will run until I have to. I may do. Now I'm trying to backtrack a little bit. I have one video that I have to upload, but that will be the only one. And when that runs the appropriate amount of time, I will be shutting the channel down. So it should be all done by November the 1st. So thanks a lot for listening in, and for me, this is Claude saying goodbye and God bless. I'll miss everybody on here, but it's time. So I'll see y'all later.